Time to go vlogging.
Oh,
I have to go vlog.
you gotta do that.
This is me.
From your boyfriend?
This is vlogging. No, this is for me. I'll share it with him though. What a sunny day. All right. Let's get out here and do some vlogging. I need to cover up my satsuma tree over there. Hey, old fella. You ready to eat? Huh? All right. Yeah. All right, chickens, let's go, let's go, let's get to work. Let's get to work, girls. Come on, let's go. Everybody out the door, let's go. All right. We're fixing to go get some food. That's right, come on. Don't bite me. And here comes the goats. Look at them lining up, ready for something to eat. Get a scoop of this cracked corn and a scoop of fall feed and a scoop of the sweet feed. All right, you guys hungry? Who's hungry, huh? Come on, get you some of that. I can't wait. Come on, let's go. All right, this is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. Now I'm back in my shed. There. That's a little better. All right. Done my morning chores. Got everybody fed. I think I'll go in the house and work on computers, even though it's such a fine day.